Very good morning students, welcome to today's class. So today we are going to learn how to paint a beautiful bird on your hand. You have to take your left hand for painting and you have to paint with your right hand. Alright, and those who are left-hander, you can use your left hand for painting and you can paint on your right hand, okay? That is all up to you, and very less material is required in this video. You will be needing just some liquid colors, but don't take watercolors for this, because watercolors are very liquid and they will not stick on your skin, okay? So it's better you can use acrylic colors, you can use poster colors, and you can use Rangila also. I have used Rangila. Alright, and let's see how we can do it. It's very new to you. For painting on your hand, you have to wash your hand, you have to dry it, and after that apply some coconut oil or any kind of oil on your hand so that the allergy won't be there. Alright, and then start painting. You don't have to apply much amount of oil, but very little, or you can apply moisturizer also. Alright, and then you have to paint on your hand. You have to keep your hand accordingly which is shown in the video, okay? And then only you will be able to paint the bird, okay? Take the screenshot from the video and then place it in front of you. Keep watching it regularly and place the hand in the same position what I have kept, and then only you will be able to paint it. Keep the things in mind. And if you get tired in between, you can stop for a while and then again you can start, okay? Don't forget to send me picture of your beautiful hands. I'll be waiting. All the best.
So first of all, you need to take your hand and place in the same position in which I am showing you. You can take your left hand if you are a right-hander, and you can take your right hand if you are a left-hander. Take some amount of water and any kind of liquid color and a normal size of brush. Take some amount of yellow color and place it on your thumb and on your finger. Now you have to take a little bit of red color and mix it with yellow to give it some orange shade. Make sure your skin should not be visible. Apply that much amount of color. Here on thumb part you can see that I have left some yellow part, and on rest of the part I have colored orange. That's what you have to do. Now you have to take white color and apply on all the left area. Don't use much amount of water, but a thick coat we need here. Now you have to take a little bit of black color. Take a rough brush of black color, don't use water, and start shading like that for the eye part. You don't have to use water for this. Once you shade this, after that you will be able to draw the proper eye. Now take 0 size of round brush and draw the outer part of the eye. Give some highlights to the eye. Here you can use a little bit of water so that your brush works smoothly. Now you have to make the eye properly by shading it. You have to make nose like this. You can apply more amount of white in the back as it is seen. Apply some amount of patches on the hand so that feathers can be seen. For applying patches, you will be needing a little bit of water and much amount of color. Now take 0 size of round brush only and fill the eye with yellow color and use a little bit of red to give it orange shade. Now take black color again and you can make the retina of the bird with black color. Take a little bit of white and put some dots like this in the center and at the corner. Now just draw this line for creating the beak of the bird in middle of the thumb with black color and a thin brush. So this is how your hand painting or body art will be done. Click a proper picture and send me as soon as possible. All the best, dear students.